Hello, welcome. I seen that you took quite the interest on my poster here. And let me tell you, this is about a topic that is very dear to me, and actually anybody on this planet to that matter. The planetary boundaries talks about 9 limits that are linked to processes that affect our environment, like changes in the average global temperature, the amount and intensity of hurricanes during hurricane season, and other types of weather phenomena. Some of the processes that are within these boundaries include our use of fresh water, the climate change, our use of virgin land, and even chemical pollution. These boundaries, however, are not limited to be only 9, and as the concept develops, we can see changes within these boundaries or from these boundaries. Now, you might be wondering, so what's the deal with the boundaries? How do they fit into the great scheme of things? And the importance of the planetary boundaries lies within what they have to offer, which is measurable data that allow us and the scientific community to keep track of the processes that shape our environment. I must say, the boundaries, if they're surpassed, they could create conditions that not even scientists can agree could happen. So not even the scientific community knows what could happen if we cross them all. The term has made its way into the social sciences and even politics with the need for stronger and better laws that could create better conditions and improve the current trends, which, if you let me say it, are not that encouraging. Sadly, the reality is that we do not know if we're going to cross them or what could happen if we do so. We already see the consequences of what could happen if we misuse and mismanage our resources. And this is something that if happens, it's not only going to affect our environment, it's going to affect the whole planet and all the interactions, social or economic, that we have. So we must act now, act efficiently, and act mindfully if we want to live in a livable future and leave a better world for future generations. Thank you for your attention.